Hey y'all already know what it is. It's your girl Amanda. Okay, back up in this thing with another video for you. So I am like, I got some stuff for y'all. Okay, I had to go ahead and re-up on some more household essentials, stuff like that, you know what I'm saying? So I wanted to share with you guys just real quick what I got. All right, so anyway, let's go ahead and get started. So I ordered some stuff from Walmart and it was delivered this morning. However, some things, they were out of hand soap, so they didn't give me that, and they had to substitute some stuff. And then certain things I had to get from Target, hand soap obviously, but stuff that only Target sells that we like in the household. So first off, let's start with Walmart. So I picked up some of the Miracle cleaning erasers. These are like the, what is it called, Mr. Clean erasers. Target usually has the 4 count, but I just went ahead and ordered these from Walmart since I was ordering anyway. These clean anything. These clean marks off of walls, markers, permanent markers, whatever. All you do is add water, and they're good for cleaning off my daughter's food table that she sits at. So I love this without adding extra chemicals. So love those. And that was 2 in there. And I'm also making sure I have everything while I'm going through here. And I'm wiping stuff off so I can go ahead and put it away. All right, so then the next thing I grabbed was the, I guess I'm saying it's like the Swivel Tails dryer sheets. This is the 40 count. I like the one, what is this, from Field Flowers. I love the ones from Swivel Tail, and they're actually cheaper than like the Game ones, but they're not too strong, but they're strong enough, if that makes sense. So I like how soft they make them, but the scent isn't like overpowering, and it's not hard on my eczema. So definitely love these. So I picked up these right here. Okay, then I had to pick up another big jug of, now mind you, the kids don't really hand wash dishes like talking about, but they still have to rinse them before they put them in the dishwasher. So I had to re-up on the big jug of Ajax. I usually get, I like purchasing the Dawn Power Clean, but I only use that when I'm using it, because they don't know how to use it. Like, they don't. So I just pick up the Ajax, and it works really well. I love it. And that one is in the orange scent, if I'm not mistaken. Okay, so this is one of the things that they substituted, which I came up on the substitute with this one. So I ordered deodorant, the Axe, for my son, and he likes the Phoenix scent. However, Walmart was out of the single one of these, so they gave me the double pack for the same price as the single. So that definitely was a win. So I picked up the Axe twin pack. All right, I'm saying picked up like I took my ass in there. Okay, so then I also grabbed the Swivel Tails Soothing Lavender fabric softener. And then I realized after I ordered this that I still had a brand new one in there in the blue scent, which is my favorite. But okay, so yeah, that one's not very powerful either, but it smells really good. So I'm gonna add that in there. I always pick these up, these toothbrushes up when I go to Walmart. Specifically, sometimes I use them for, you know, the girls. We have edges, you know what I'm saying? Sometimes I use them to that, which I ain't did nothing to these today. So anyway, so I picked up this pack right here, and it's 6 in each, and they're only $1 from Dr. Fresh. And I picked up the soft ones and the firm ones. The firm ones I usually use for like our edges, and then the kids like the soft ones. So pick those up, only $1 each. All right, so then I got some toothpaste, the Colgate Sparkling White. My favorite two that I tried to order were out of stock every time I tried to place the order. So I just went ahead. By that time, I was so frustrated, I just grabbed anything. So as long as it has something in there about sparkling white or peroxide or something like that. So I got 2 of these. Okay, then let's see what else. Okay, so then I grabbed some, I got some Lysol Power Toilet Bowl Cleaner. Love this stuff. This is my favorite toilet bowl cleaner because the angle of the neck, you can turn it and get it in there like that. And then you let it sit for a few minutes. You come back after cleaning the counter or whatever it is you're cleaning, flush the toilet, do a little, you know, you don't have to scrub. It says you don't have to scrub, but I still like to kind of just get in there with the scrubbing brush, flush it, it's done, and it leaves a fresh scent. So I absolutely love this brand of the toilet bowl cleaner. It's the only one I use. Okay, so I had ordered the Lysol OxyClean, I think it's called, It was an all-purpose cleaner. That's the one I loved. Okay, I knew something had waste in here. Damn it. I think they bust my bottle or something. Because look. Oh, it smells so good though. But anyway, the bastards bust my bottle. Okay, so anyway, or maybe it just leaked out. I don't know. I'm gonna figure it out. But anyway, so I ordered the other one, the all-purpose cleaner Lysol, and they substituted it because they didn't have it in stock anymore for these two right here. I ordered one of those and they substituted for the Lysol Kitchen Pro cleaner. Okay, so that's all I got from Walmart. Now, what I had to go to Target for was, okay, so first off, I definitely had to get my baby girl a book. So y'all know Mia. If you don't, for my new subscribers, my baby girl's name is Mia. She just turned 12 on July the 5th. And she has cerebral palsy. So, but she has come to love books. So she kept saying she needs another book. She needs another book. Mind you, she's supposed to be nonverbal. But baby, listen. Okay, God. All I'm saying. So I went into Target and found her this book. I was going to get the book 100 words. My first 100 words or something like that. But when I saw this is her all the way. Okay. Look. Don't you dare brush my hair. This is her. This girl fights me every time I try to comb her hair. And it's just, she is crazy about that. Like, and it's not like her hair is not tangled or anything. She just don't like get it combed or brushed, nothing. So anyway, it has a sensory type of thing, you know what I'm saying, where you can feel like different things on it, and I feel like that'll be good for her. And so if you can see right here, it has different type of sensory things. So I love that for her. She's gonna love it. But of course I had to get the hard, like the cardboard type book, because she will tear the pages off. So like, look, it has like the little hair and stuff like that. So it's pretty cool. Like, it has different type of textures. That one's kind of weird. So it's a really nice book. So I definitely got this for her. It was $9.99. So if you know of any special needs children, this would be amazing for their sensory. Okay, so I picked that up. Then I needed to get some freezer bags. So I grabbed the Up and Up brand, and I simply got these because sometimes I have to split up like stuff for her and take it and pack it in her bag. So I just picked up the cheap ones. It's no biggie. Also, I got some filming ideas, and I'm gonna have to put my phone in one of these in order to film like around water and stuff like that. So pick these up. I picked up the organic cotton tampons. I think I saw some reviews about it or something, and they were saying that the organic ones helped their it dropped their cycle down a couple of days. So I was like, hey, I'm cool with that if it'll do that. Plus, if it's better on the body, then I'll definitely do that. So I definitely picked these up, and this is a 30 count. Anyway, okay. So the next thing that I got from Target. Oh, and I gotta wipe this book down for my baby girl. So the next thing that I got from Target is these are some of the items that are specifically from Target that the kids love. The Gentle body wash, smells like summertime, the Smartly body wash. This is the particular one that they love, and it's only $1.99, so I'm all day for that. Cool for that. So had to get more of that. And then I think I've hauled these before as well. And this is the bar soap for their hands and stuff. Sometimes they like to use bar soap for their hands. And on a whim, I forgot to put this on my list, but my daughter needed some big of the Soleil Twilight. She just needed some razors, so I grabbed these because they didn't look too cheap, but they, you know, they still look cheap. You know what I'm saying? All right. Then I had to pick up the coconut oil formula, Stay Strong Roots for dry, damaged, or color treated hair. So you guys, I don't know if you realize, but I do have ombre hair. So I like putting this on my scalp. It is so soothing and just smooth and all that good stuff. So I definitely go through this quick, okay, like a quickie. But yeah, I love that. Okay, so then I went, and I still haven't gone into Sam's. I need to go back to Sam's to get my granola. But so I picked up some more forks and spoons, just in case we're on the go or for the kids. And then the reason I definitely had to go to Target, boom, soft soap, okay? So it's so crazy lately. For some reason, I don't know what's going on with hand soap. I used to be able to order this and pick it up from Target. Like, just drive up and pick it up. But now they've taken it off the site. So now you have to go in and get it. And they were fully stocked, so that was weird to me. And then the stuff with Walmart. But anyway, so I picked up the soft soap, the milk and golden honey. It smells good. It's not too overpowering to give you a headache, since your hands are kind of always in your face. But I always pick up the refill instead of buying, you know, the same little containers over and over again. Plus I have the little clear containers to put that type of stuff in. Please, y'all, if you shop at Target, you need to have the app, okay? The Target Circle includes offers on there that you can use. So it's like mobile coupons, basically. And they have an offer on there for $3 off of Tide and Gain, certain Tide and Gain products, okay? I picked up the Tide 42 count Pause, the Spring Meadow. And then I grabbed the liquid version for me, which is the clean and clear one, basically. But this one is the Tide with Downy. The free and gentle one, I'm sorry, is 64 loads. But the one with Downy is 59. I actually prefer the Downy one because it does help your clothes be softer. But you guys know with my eczema, I have to use the free and gentle one. The key is the other one don't bother. It's just me. And then the Gain one, okay? So I picked up the original in this one. I usually like the Island Breeze, but they didn't have it at this Target. So this is the original scent of the Gain, and their pods are 42 as well. I used $3 off coupons on those. Again, all you got to do is get to the register, scan them, and then scan your phone once you've saved that offer. Or better yet, what's easier is when you get to the product, use your Target app to scan the barcode, and it'll pull up the offer, and you just click the offer and add it. And then when you get to the register, you just scan your products, scan your phone, hit pay, and it'll automatically take the coupons off. That's pretty much it, you guys. I know listen, I gotta put all this stuff up. Oh, you know what? That's what I got kids for. They finna put it up. No, I'm gonna make sure we go where it need to go because they're chucking so well. But anyway, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see y'all in the next video. Bye.